Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss some MCQs related to network topology, which is an important topic in computer networking. And, if you want to learn the theory of topology, the video also in the channel, you can go through it. So let's start the session. In which topology the number of nodes are many when extending network? In bus topology. Dash is a collection of point-to-point links that may form a circle. Ring topology. Security and privacy are less in which topology? In bus topology. A network that contains multiple hubs is most likely configured in a dash topology. In a tree topology. Which topology features a point-to-point line configuration? Mesh topology. A distributed network configuration in which all data, or information pass through a central computer is. Star topology. Which network topology is considered passive? Bus topology. A central computer surrounded by one or more satellite computers is called a star topology. FDDI is a ring topology. Which of the following medium access control technique is used for bus or tree? Token bus. The most flexibility in how devices are wired together is provided by bus network. in which network topology, bidirectional links between each possible node. Mesh topology, which topology covers security, robust and eliminating the traffic factor. Mesh topology, which topology requires the most amount of wiring. Mesh topology, the star topology is less expensive than mesh topology. Difficult reconnection and fault isolation are the disadvantages of bus topology. The connection of the telephone regional office is the practical example of mesh topology. In bus topology, the device linking all the nodes in a network is backbone. Which topology has the toughest fault identification? Bus topology. Which topology uses the token passing algorithm? Ring topology. A list of protocols used is known as protocol stack. A device which is used to boost the signal between two cable segments or wireless access points is switch. A device that helps prevent congestion and data collisions. Switch. A device that connects networks with different protocols. Gateway. The data in ring topology moves in which direction? Doesn't move. Which is an example for star topology? High-speed LANs. What are the disadvantages of bus topology? Disadvantages are it has limited computers and has little fault tolerance both. The token ring doesn't use which topology? Physical ring. In computer, two dissimilar networks can be connected by a bridge. A node which represented in a computer network topology is basically a computer.